Nan, you won the Welsh League once as a manager. You're now going into the cup final on Saturday against Connah's Quay Nomads. Massive day for yourself, massive day for your club.
Yeah, for the club it's huge. We never anticipated to come here to get this far. When I first came here, it was to basically help them get a bit of structure, help them get a bit of an idea and identity in terms of looking to push forwards. You know, this season was a bonus season, see how far we can go. And for us to get to the cup final is huge. And I've said to the players, you probably won't get a chance like this again. Most players won't get that chance. So, you know, and I know for a fact they're all going to enjoy it. I know they're all going to give it all and leave every single bit of sweat on that pitch.
On our day, we've got the players to do it. We proved that at Newtown when we went away. We proved that down here again, Aberystwyth.
Wel am bas sydd drwy'r canol, Graham I STM, Graham! Maen nhw ar y ffordd i'r rownd derfynol!
It's going to be the toughest 90 minutes of their lives, there's no doubt about that. They'll have to run until their legs fall off, but we have got the capabilities to do it.
It's been a sort of a meteoric rise, really. We've managed to go right through the Cardiff Parks, we've gone through the Amateur League, into the Welsh League, and here we are. And it's taken 12, I suppose this is the 13th year, I guess. Yeah, it's been great fun. We've had a ball.
My lads, 2007, 2008, you were playing on a park about half a mile next to the rugby pitch over there, Cardiff Park's pitch. It's the trophy cabinet like in the house with, what is it, 8 promotion in the 12 years?
I don't think we ever imagined we'd have the success we've had, getting to where we have, the progression, step by step. And I think I'm the oldest at the club now, so yeah, it's been a really good journey for us.
So obviously over 12 years we've been like promotion, needed to win like the last game to go up to like the following league, so we've been in this situation a lot of times, but this one obviously is different because they're a league higher, they're obviously well experienced, they're a good team, so it was a big challenge for us. But we're going in there as the underdogs, which is obviously massive for us, but for us to win it'd be not like, I wouldn't say a dream come true, that's taken a bit too far, but it'd be massive for the club.
Everyone's behind us, the whole of the Welsh League, to be honest. You know, we've had messages from everyone, from West Wales to Gwent, so they've really got behind us, but we've got nothing to lose. It's Newport County versus Man City, innit? That's what it is. You know, they probably spend in a week what we spend in 5 years on players, we know that. Pressure's on them, isn't it? You know, if they go goal down early.
Nan, hell of a character, Andy Morrison, like a top football man. Do you know anything about him?
Yeah, I mean, I know he was a Man City captain. I did a bit of research in regards to him. I've seen him in terms of the last 3 years in the Welsh Prem and what he's been able to achieve. From what I know, he expects and demands a lot from his players. It'll be interesting to see how he sets up against us.
You might not have noticed him, Nan, because he's a very quiet man.
Okay, yeah. I doubt that very much. He doesn't see him at all.
Yeah, he's a top man. You know.
It'll be good banter, I think, between us and him. So we're really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to it.
Yeah.